Hey, welcome to our channel. You are watching Review Panda, and in this video, we are going to review the top 5 best computer monitors 2022. If you are thinking to buy, watch the video completely. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Links are mentioned in description. Let's start from our first product. Samsung Odyssey G7 32-inch best computer monitor overall. Specifications: screen size, aspect ratio, 32 inches, 16:9 resolution, 2560 by 1440 refresh rate, 240Hz panel type, VA adaptive sync, FreeSync Premium Pro. Reasons to buy: plus size and shape ideal for gaming or work, plus low input lag, plus accurate color without calibration. Reasons to avoid: no speakers. Earning a 5-star rating from Tom's Hardware, the Samsung Odyssey G7 32-inch is the best computer monitor. For gamers, it boasts the strongest curve currently available, 1000R, for incredible immersion, along with speedy gaming numbers. The 240Hz monitor has a 1 millisecond GTG response time and put up a 5 milliseconds response time score in our testing, beating some 165Hz screen. Our second product is Dell S3220DGF best computer monitor for gaming. Specifications: screen size, aspect ratio, 32 inches, 16:9 resolution, 2560 by 1440 refresh rate, 165Hz panel type, VA adaptive sync, FreeSync Premium Pro. Reasons to buy: plus high contrast, plus color accurate. Reasons to avoid: no sRGB mode, no gamma presets. Our third product is LG 27GN950B best computer monitor for 4K gaming. Specifications: screen size, aspect ratio, 27 inches, 16:9 resolution, 3840 by 2160 refresh rate, 144Hz panel type, IPS adaptive sync, G-Sync compatible, FreeSync Premium Pro. Today's best deals. Check Amazon. View at Adorama. Reasons to buy: plus local dimming produces VA-like contrast, plus wide and accurate color gamut. Our fourth product is MSI Oculux NXG253R best computer monitor for e-sports. Specifications: screen size and aspect ratio, 24.5 inches, 16:9 resolution, 1920 by 1080 panel type, IPS refresh rate, 360Hz response time, GTG, 1 ms adaptive sync, G-Sync. Reasons to buy: plus good contrast with variable backlight, plus incredibly smooth and fast. Reasons to avoid: no extended color, no speakers. Esports players and hopefuls rely on the fastest peripherals available to attenuate the delay between deciding on in-game action and when that action happens on screen. 360Hz is the fastest refresh rate PC monitors have today, and the MSI Oculux NXG253R is the fastest of them all. Yes, the NXG253R is the fastest display we've ever tested, making it the best computer monitor for esports you can buy. The NXG253R outperformed other 360Hz monitors by 1 to 3 milliseconds, depending on the rival screen, in our absolute input lag test. It also matched all its 360Hz rivals in our response time test with a 3 millisecond score. The monitor also fights screen tears down to a 1 Hz refresh rate with G-Sync and includes the NVIDIA Reflex Latency Analyzer to help fine-tune your esports performance further. Our fifth product is Samsung UR59C best budget 4K computer monitor. Specifications: screen size, aspect ratio, 32 inches, 16:9 resolution, 3840 by 2160 refresh rate, 60Hz panel type, VA adaptive sync, none. Reasons to buy: plus quality build, plus effective curvature. Reasons to avoid: no USB ports, needs calibration. If you want an affordable screen with many pixels, the Samsung UR59C is the best budget 4K monitor for you. The VA panel delivers contrast, 2590.5 to 1 after calibration, making everything from photos to videos to games look better. Curves are generally more effective on ultra-wide screens, but the UR59C's 1500R curvature was effective and beneficial for this 32-incher, such as when multitasking with multiple windows. And if you don't mind calibrating, you can get rid of the UR59C pesky color errors, which, unfortunately, were visible out of the box.